Welcome to Beginning ASP.NET Core 3.0. I'm Todd Spatafor, a software architect with 20 years of professional development experience and a Windows Insider MVP. This is a fast-paced course teaching you the skills to develop back-end of your application using ASP.NET Core 3.0 with practical examples. Let's see what we will learn. Section 1, Getting Started with ASP.NET Core 3.0. We will install the software needed for the rest of this course, and we will explain the concepts of a simple Hello World application. Section 2, How ASP.NET MVC Works. We will build a simple e-commerce landing page practically demonstrating all of the main concepts of MVC. Section 3, Use Entity Framework Core. We will add a server-side database to our landing page. And Section 4, Create Razor Pages in ASP.NET. We will build the landing page again using the main concepts of Razor Pages. And in Section 5, we will understand how to test, monitor, secure, and deploy your project. The prerequisites for this course are Windows 10, version 1803 or newer, Chrome or Edge web browser, and a working knowledge of C#. So let's get started.